Hello! In this session, I want to teach you how to bead the rings using the odd count peyote stitch and how to read the pattern. So far, we have learned how to make a bracelet and rings with the even count peyote stitch. But for this session, imagine we want to make a ring with 5 rows and this pattern. So this is an easy pattern, but I think it's very good for beginners. So we start with the same way as even count peyote. Again, I want to use a black thread because it is more easy to follow the beading. We pass the thread, the needle, okay. Again, we have to, if you want, you can use the stopper. So everything till now was the same as before. And I use these two different colors because it is easier to follow the instruction because they are two different varieties of color. So look at here. I want to have the first rows, the first beads here. The first column, I should say, yes. I want to zoom a little bit for you. Perfect. For making a bracelet, you have to just pick the first column. In the last session, they were in the same color, so we didn't have to, think about it. But now, if we want to have this pattern, we have to follow the instruction. Okay, so this is the first one, and we have 3 blue beads, and the last one is yellow. So I should pick up 1 yellow bead, 3 blue, and again 1 yellow. Okay, so now how many beads I have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, look at here. I picked these beads 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Which one is the next bead? 6. What is the color? Yellow. So I have to pick 1 yellow bead. Again, like the even structure, I pass the first one and I go through the second one. I pull the thread in order to get this shape. Okay. Till now, I have this one, and this one. Why I put a mark on it? Because I want to make sure that I am not making any, a mistake. So, what is the next bead after the 6? It's this one. So I have to pick the blue bead. Again, I pass the third bead and go through the fourth one. Pull the 3 to get this shape. Okay. But here, it is not like the even count that we pass this one and go through the other one. What should we do here? Look very good. And before that, I want to show you that we have the 7th bead and we want to go through the 8 ones, which is the yellow. How we do this? Okay. It is maybe a bit difficult when you are doing at the first time, but if you do it several times, it would be so easy for you. So I have one bead here, and this is the 5th or the last bead that I have. I go to this bead and I want to show you something. Do you remember that when we were learning the even count, we were put the beads here and here. But for putting the beads here, we have to come out from this bead. But now, where are we? We are here. So how we should go there? Okay. Go through these 2 beads. You can do it simultaneously or one by one. Go through these beads, I mean. Come to the next bead. Pull the thread. Okay. Go through this one. Go to this one. And be careful about your thread. They should come here. And now we can go through the bead that we want. Okay? It is not important for me that they might be a bit loose, but we can fix it after that. Again, we go to our pattern. So we are here. I have these two yellow, yes, these four blue, and these two yellow beads. After the 8, I have to put the blue one here. So I pick one blue bead and I go through this bead. Pull the thread to the bead put inside the at the position. So after the 9 we have 10. What is the color? Blue. I have to pick another blue bead and I go through this bead. Okay? Now we are here. What is the color? It's yellow. I pick one yellow color and go through this bead. And the yellow color, it is going to sit at its position. What is the next one? The blue one. This is like the even count. So I go through this bead and pull the thread to get this shape. So what is the next bead? 13. It is yellow. I pick up one yellow bead. Again, I want to show you how to do it. Go through this bead, or you can go through all these 3 beads together. It doesn't make any difference because if I go through this bead, I have to again come through these 2 beads. If working with beads is easy for you and you have the experience, you can go through these beads all together. Pull the thread to sit this bead at its position. Now I am here, I have to go here. So I go through the next bead. Perfect. Then go the upper one. Okay. Then I have to go through this bead and come out from the bead that I want. Okay? Can you see that? Where am I? I put the 13 So now it's the 14 bead. What is the color? It is blue. I pick up one blue bead. I go through this bead and it's easy. It's like the even count. After the 14, it's 15. I have to pick up one another blue bead, go through the yellow bead and perfect. After that, it's this column, 16, 17, and 18. So what is the color of 16? It's yellow. I have to pick up one yellow bead. It's easy. Go through this blue bead and finish. 16, mark, 17, it's blue. Go through this blue bead and done. The next one is 18, which is the yellow one. So what did I say to you? When you pick one bead, you have to go through all 3 beads together. It is easier with this. Go all through these 3 beads. This one, this, and this. You have to, play with this bead in order to sit at the right position. Now I am here, but I have to go here. So I should find a way to reach this bead. I want to come out my needle through this bead. So I have to go there. I will go through the next bead here. Go to this one. Here. And finally, we come out from this bead. After 18 is 19 and it's blue. After 19 it's 20 and it's blue. It's easy, so we can do it a bit faster. Then it's this column 21, 22, and 23. 21 is yellow. I pick up one yellow bead, go through this blue bead, and done. 22, it's blue. I go through this bead, this one, and done. Again, I have to add the yellow bead Again, I want to do it together. When I pick the yellow bead, I go through these all 3 beads together at the same time. Then I try to play with this bead to sit at the position. I am here, but I want to come out from this bead. So I should reach myself to this bead. What should I do? I go to the next to this one. Go to this one. Here and here. Perfect. Again, I have to pick up one blue bead, one another, and now I'm here. It's the time to pick up one yellow bead, go through this bead, and da-da-da-dum. The blue. These are like the even count, so I do it faster, but when I reach here, I want to do it slowly. So I pick up one yellow bead, I go through these all 3 beads together. I try to put the bead at the right position, go to the next bead, this one, this one, and finally here. Again, I have to pick the blue. Again, pick up blue. Yellow. Blue. And again yellow. Go through these all 3 beads together. Try to help the bead to sit at the right position. Go to this and this one, which is at the upper position, this one, and here. So you have to continue to reach the lengths that you want for the ring or bracelet. For the next session, I want to teach you how to finish a ring, and I will come with another pattern which is a bit more, complicated. So I want you to do this several times to understand it very well. And yes, finished. Thank you.